How to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how you're going to be able to connect your Hostinger email to your Gmail in the easiest way. Now, the easiest way and simplest way to do this is go over to your Gmail, come to your settings in the top right, go to see all settings, and once you're here, go to accounts and import, and in accounts and import, here you get two options, okay? First of all, you have send mail as, and then you have check mail from other account, and then you have grant access to your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to add these three placeholders, okay? So you're going to click on add another email address, and right over here, what you're going to do is you're going to add your Hostinger email. Now, once you add your Hostinger email, what's going to happen in that case is they're going to go ahead and ask you to verify it through Hostinger, okay? So it's going to send a verification. You're going to go to your H panel, verify yourself, and that will add Hostinger as an email on your Gmail. Then you can also add this mail account for yourself the same way. So just add in your Hostinger email, click on next, and you can ask it to link accounts with Gmailify. That obviously depends on you. So once you've added these things, you're pretty much good to go. So that is how you can connect Hostinger email to your Gmail in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.